Thank you for your purchase of Toysphere Motocross Plus tricycle. This tricycle comes with some unique features of safety and comfort, such as seat guard, footrest, shock absorbers and parental handle control. Please follow these steps to assemble the product. Step 1. Take the main body and fix the rear wheel-to-wheel axle with the help of quarter pin. Now place the wheel cap. In the next step, insert front wheel complete with fork to the main body. Place handle to fork fix with help of clump nut and machine screw. Now is the time to place canopy. Place the canopy to the frame by using push buttons. It's time to place parent control handle in place. Place parental handle into flute pipe and lock it with screw. Place parental handle to flute pipe and lock it with provided screw. Toysphere Motocross Plus tricycle is now ready to ride. Toysphere. World of toys.